Oh snap, I almost smashed my car. Yo, there's a reason why I'm taking this crappy $24 order. This is a $24 Costco. You know we don't take no daggone $24 Costco's, but I'm taking a $24 Costco. You know why? Because I haven't done work with Instacart in like 2 months. Maybe one or two here and there, but that's about it. And there's a reason why I took this crappy order. Now, it's not the worst of the worst, but it's still something I really wouldn't take. Now, there's a reason why I took this. So let's rewind. I'm gonna rant to you guys for a little bit. It's good to be back. Watch this whole video because I got something to say about Instacart. Yo, I got an order, a small order, a little 24 or 25 Costco. I'm headed there now. But Instacart is scamming us all. I haven't been like out and about, waiting around in the parking lots. Nah, none of that. Not for me. Before I do Instacart, I'm doing Amazon Flex. So I look for Flex orders. Yeah, Instacart is scamming everybody, guys. They developed a system that makes you have to take crappy orders. They develop a system to make you have to take crappy orders. What do I mean? It looks like I love Instacart, right? All the videos I made on Instacart and, you know, making all this money with Instacart. No, I just like making the money, but I hate the company. The company is whack. It used to be dope though. The company used to be cool. The problem is, and I'm talking too much right now. Let me just get to the point. So the problem is they developed a system that makes us have to take crappy orders, and they developed a system that it doesn't matter if you're a good shopper or not. It doesn't matter if you have 5 stars. It doesn't matter at all. The only thing that matters is what group you're in, right? And what tier you're in. That's the system I'm talking about. If you do not take crappy orders at some point in time, you will not be Diamond Cart. And if you are not Diamond Cart, you will not see good orders. And even if you are Diamond Cart, you may not be in the first group of the Diamond Carts that are in Diamond Cart, if that made any sense. I hope you guys are following me. So, Instacart created this system that traps you into having to do Instacart when you don't want to. Meaning if you're sitting around, and forgive me if I sound like I have a lisp, I got retainers in. That means if you're sitting around, right, and you're like, man, I haven't done the orders in a couple hours, and man, it's been slow a couple days. Well, you better take those crappy orders that you see. You know why? Because you're never gonna get to Diamond Cart. And if you're not Diamond Cart, you are not going to see the hundos, the 80s, the 50s, the 70s, the big orders. You won't have a chance because they're gonna show those to Diamond Carts first. But then, here's the sucky part. Like I just said, even if you are Diamond Cart, you are not guaranteed the big orders first. You can be in Diamond Cart, but in Group D, right? There's still groups. So there's Group A, B, C, D. I don't know how far down the rabbit hole it goes, but we know there's groups. We know for a fact it's not just Diamond tier. So you gotta go through all these funnels of having a 5-star rating. Then you have to be Diamond tier, right? So you got Platinum, Gold, and Diamond. You gotta be Diamond tier. Then, on top of that, you gotta be in the first group of the Diamond tier. So you could be 5-star Diamond tier, but still not in the first group. We don't know how they do this. It's ridiculous. They switched everything up. A real shitty company, bro. Because in reality, the fairness would be just show the orders to the people that are in proximity of that store, of that location, at the same time. Therefore, if a hundo pops up, if I refresh before you refresh, I might see the hundo first. That's fair game. That's how they should have the app, man. I just want to let everyone know that I'm not coming out ranting, you know, because I can't make money. Like, I can make money. I can make $300 a day, $400 a day. You know, me and Bella, we still good. We can make the money here. So I'm ranting for everybody else. And I'm just being honest about the company. Really, I'm just being honest. My honest opinion. I'm really not trying to even bash Instacart because we made a lot of money with Instacart, bro. It's just that the company sucks now. The way it used to be during the pandemic, and not just the customers ordering. I mean, the way it used to be. The function of Instacart, the way it used to run, the operations was way better. It was way better, bro. Like, the guy who was running it, the CEO back then, you could tell he was just a guy who had a passion for making apps. I forget the dude's name. He had a passion for making apps, right? He's tried several apps, and he stumbled across Instacart. He created Instacart, and it took off, and you know, it started doing well, and it started making people a lot of money, and people were enjoying the app, and everyone was happy. The customers, the shoppers, everyone was happy, right? Like, what is the customers like? Whoa, what is this? You know, I mean, I wish they didn't, you know, here and there you had bad customers and bad shoppers, but overall it was a cool app. Somewhere down the line, this new person started running the app, and I don't know who's making the decisions up there, but they're making terrible decisions. I don't know how a company can be like, oh, we made a couple $2 billion, let's change it now. Like, it doesn't make any sense. Like, dude, you're making billions of dollars, everyone's happy, why are you changing it? So I don't want to keep going down a crazy rant, but at the end of the day, you guys, you're trapped with Instacart, man. You are trapped with Instacart unless they change the way the function of the app works. You are a slave to Instacart if you want to make good money, because you have to take crappy orders at some point in time. Because if you don't, that next cycle will come around and you won't be diamond. You may be diamond now, right? Because you took a bunch of orders and you've been working all day. But eventually, you're gonna be sitting around as diamond. And that next tier session is gonna come around, and you're gonna notice, like, dang, I'm gold, or I'm platinum. Dang, I gotta take orders, but there's nothing I really want to take right now. Well, that's because you're not in the first group of diamond, right? So you better you better take those crappy triple orders, double orders, and do those orders just to make the cut of diamond for next season. That's the trap I'm talking about. You have to take crappy orders now, bro. Don't listen to anybody say, oh, I only take orders that have high tips and blah, blah, blah. Yo, shut up. They're lying to you. You're going to have to, at some point in time, take some type of crappy orders. Everyone, not everyone, will have to at some point in time, because that's the way they created Instacart now. So, there you have it. I'm on my way to do this order right now. Yeah, God bless, guys. I'm on a highway with no seatbelt, and this car almost ran into me. So yeah, let me be safe out here, guys. And my channel gonna be different. I'm giving away a lot of stuff. I'm doing a lot of competitions and stuff like that. I'm setting out a lot of stuff. So be sure to hit the like, subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, this was just a rant. I haven't been here. I know I haven't been here, guys. I've been chilling. I've been on my gaming channel. Shout outs to my gaming channel. For any of you guys out there that play Call of Duty, go subscribe to my gaming channel. That is at Taddy Bear. Taddy Bear Gaming, bro. Go subscribe to my gaming channel. I've been on that. You're gonna die too. Get out of our game! So here is a crappy $24 order. $24 Costco order. Okay. Look at that. Yep. Going about 6 miles for $24. Mind you, I never do $24 Costco orders unless it's like 2 items. I would do it 1 mile. But you see, I haven't been working in 2 months, and I am not diamond tier. So there's a reason why I'm doing this.